Meet Ali is a delivery boy. He rides a bike for his job. He works in a big city. The city is very busy. The cars move very, very fast. Ollie has to work fast too. He rides his bike quickly through the streets to deliver packages on time. One sunny afternoon, while riding, Ali hears a loud shout. He looks around and sees something terrible. A small child has fallen down in the middle of the road. It's full of fast-moving cars. It is a very dangerous situation. Without a second thought, Ollie stops his bike. He jumps off it so quickly. He doesn't think about his delivery. He doesn't think about being late. He just runs. He runs straight to the child. Just then, a car comes speeding down the road. The driver sees Ali and the child and stops fast. The tires make a loud sound. People on the street shout. They are scared. But Ali reaches the child. He quickly picks the little one up in his arms. He moves away from the road to the safety of the sidewalk. The child is crying. They are very scared. Ollie holds the child close and talks softly. He says, "You are safe now. Everything is okay. You're safe." The child slowly stops crying and takes a deep breath. They start to calm down. A small crowd of people gathers around. Soon, a woman runs through the crowd. It is the child's mother. She is crying. She sees her child, safe with Ali. She runs and hugs her child tightly. She looks at Ali with tears in her eyes and says, "Thank you. Thank you so much." Ali feels a little shy. He just smiles. His heart is beating very fast from the scare and the run. But he also feels proud. He did a good thing today. He helped someone. Soon, the police arrive. They ask some questions about what happened. Ali tells them everything. Everyone in the crowd listens quietly. After a little while, the street calms down. Everything goes back to normal. Ollie gets back on his bike. He has to continue his work. The city is busy again, and the cars are moving. As Ollie rides away, he can't stop smiling. He knows he is late with his delivery now. But it was worth it. His quick action saved a life. Today, his courage was faster than his fear. He rides the rest of his route, and then he rides home. He feels tired after such a long and exciting day, but he also feels strong inside. This is a day he will never forget. He will remember it always. What a day for Ollie, the hero on a bike. Thanks for listening to Ollie's story. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more inspiring stories. See you next time.